We're good.
Oh, you're sweating.
No, sit down.
Yeah. You know, nothing to do with it.
Lexi sitting down.
I can't see.
Here she is.
What?
I don't know. That was you.
This can is mine. Oh, it's still warm. Don't do that while I'm holding this, Alyssa.
It's sharp. It like blew out perfect though. Look at it.
I know.
It's pretty cool. Oh, it's sharp.
Was that what made that pop sound? Can. This can is my can. From the Pepsi process plant to the
Fire pit.
Land.
Johnson.
Broke you. It's like, ah.
This door.
It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow.
From a freaking battery.
Sounds so cool.
What happens if you throw like a 9-volt battery into someone's bathtub when they're in it?
Yeah, don't throw that.
Why do you think of stuff like this?
I mean, like, I understand like throwing a toaster would probably kill somebody. But what if it's just a little battery?
Probably sprayed battery acid all over in the.
Hey, I know what to do. We can spray it. It's getting really smoky.
It's because of soda.
Yeah. Dude, now there's like the cameras over here. It's taking forever, man.
This is boring.
Yeah.
So big of her.
Hey, I wonder if this would make it go boom. What'd you say?
I said so big of her.
How would you, wait.
Just.
Okay, it's like,
Uh-oh. Here go the men.
Here they go.
No.
pouring juice on it won't do anything but put it out. Smart one.
Don't walk over there.
Oh no, the Kool-Aid man's like, oh yeah. Let's pour Kool-Aid on it.
Woo, Kool-Aid. Hey, Joel's a Kool-Aid man.
Is he? Oh yeah, he does that.
Shirt. Yeah. He wears this bowling alley and the face parts are like bright.
I want.
But
Oh
Luke's
yeah,
is the same one.
neon
Luke's
bowling.
is dumb, but to say the least. I was going to say something else.
Is it gonna blow, Dad?
We don't know.
Oh, great. Go
Probably
back.
like 2 in the morning. Bam!
I'm just waiting for like shattered glass everywhere.
Building up too much pressure.
Holy crap! Whoa! Dude!
Tell me you got that.
Yeah, I did. I did.
I want to see. Holy shit!
Bottle shattered.
Jesus.
Ow, my ear. Yeah, right.
Let's see the aftermath here. Something's on my arm.
Dude, that was flipping awesome.
Dude, the whole bottle's like freaking gone.
The bottle's there.
Well,
bottle's
I meant
there.
like broke. I meant like
just
broke.
shattered.
I meant broke, yeah.
Jeez.
Can you zoom in on that?
No, I don't know why you can't zoom in. I don't
Ow,
think so.
it's all over the chair.
Nope, you can't zoom in.
Oh! And all over my hand. Whoa. Did you get the
Mikey.
video, Garrett?
Yeah, I got it on video.
Oh! On that again.
Yeah, I'm not
It
either.
caramelized in there.
Caramelized.
There's nothing left inside.
Oh, it's like smoking my face.
Ew, it's
Yeah, there's nothing inside.
So just like
It evaporated all of it.
Oh,
and
watch the
shot
video.
it.
that was awesome.
Daddy.